Today I show you how you can make your printer pick up paper easier. If your printer doesn't take the paper when you try to print, or it's taking it but it's a bit slow when it's doing it, it's because the pickup rollers inside the printer are a bit dirty, worn out, and they might need to be replaced, but you can also clean them a little bit. The problem with the home printer, this kind of cheap printer, is that the rollers, they're very difficult to reach. The more expensive printer, they are more service minded, but these cheap ones, they don't really, you have to take the whole printer apart to get to the rollers, the pickup rollers. So it might not be worth it on some printers, but if you're going to throw the printer away, there is a chance that you might want to do this just before doing that. It might save your printer and you can still use it. Here I show you, other than one of the rollers, it's a bit not straight there, something is wrong with it, but it does pick the paper up after I cleaned it a little bit, but still not very, it doesn't take it very easily. This is most likely because of dust inside the printer. We can clean the printer outside as much as we can, but inside there it's very difficult to clean it, and any dust particles from the paper, also particles of paper, they will stay there and get these rollers dirty, and then it's more difficult to actually pick the paper up. You see one of the rubber wheels, it's a bit broken there. I'll make a video about how to fix that. These to replace them, it's really not worth it, I believe. A printer like this, it's about $50, $70, 70 euro, 50 to 70 euro, so you might as well just buy a new printer, maybe a different brand, one that is more service friendly, user repair friendly. So they do pick up the paper, but more slowly. The trick is to use double-sided tape, pair of scissors, and a ruler. You can use a plastic ruler like this, and I tried it and it actually works fine. Someone in the comments in a previous video was telling me about this, and I thought that's a great idea, I will try it. And today I thought, okay, let's try to see how it goes. The trick is to use double-sided tape, and it might be difficult a little bit to remove the tape from the backing of the tape. Eventually you will get it out, and both the top and bottom of the ruler should be covered in this tape, and basically that's it. The idea is to put this ruler under the rollers, and not necessarily to have the rollers spin, but to take out any dust from around the roller area. Any dust particles there will be removed, and also if this tape touches the rollers themselves, they will get more sticky. Some of this glue will go onto the rollers and they become more sticky, so they work better. It's a bit risky that it might try to pull the ruler inside the printer, and even it could break the ruler, but okay, this is, if the printer is really in a bad shape, you could try this. There is not much to lose. I mean, you are gonna throw away the printer anyway, so let's see how it goes. See how they do. They are ready. No paper inside the printer, and carefully place the ruler under the rollers and move it around in the area there, removing dust from the pads under the rollers and around them, not necessarily exactly where they are. Also on the rollers, this will clean the area, but it's not really that much. The best way to clean the rollers really well is to make them spin a little bit while you hold the roller. Don't let it go inside the printer, under this roller. it will make those rubber feet very sticky. It will pick up some of the glue from the tape, and then it will really grab the paper very quickly. So I put it under there, and then I start to make a copy, just a simple copy on the scanner, and it will try to print now a paper. When I do that, I keep the, you see, I hold it. It almost grabbed it really, but you see how it's spinning? Yeah. Okay. You can do this multiple times, but really, if you do it 2-3 times, it's more than enough. As long as the wheel spins on the tape once, it's gonna be, yeah, that was really too much. If it gets a grip on it, it's really hard, and it could damage the printer, so you do this at your own risk here.
Okay, I think we got it.
Yeah, we got it. The traces on the double-sided tape, it's really, this black stuff is from the roller itself, so it's really forcing that to come, any dirt, any even worn out material from it, it comes out. So it could happen that it might damage the rollers there, like this one on the right, but that can be fixed the same with the same ruler. You can make it go back inside. I will make another video with this to show you how you can make one of these rollers go back. It's really easy. Putting a bit of pressure from the outside, from the edge, while it's spinning, it will make it go back into its slot. Now the pickup rollers, they work much better than before, and in this case they were still working a little bit, but it could be that they don't work at all. They don't pick up any paper at all. So in that case, you will see a really like night and day difference. The glue is the thing that makes the big difference for this. And hopefully this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you have problems with your printer, and if you tried this, if it worked or what happened. Many times this will work, and if it did, write a comment, let everyone know that your printer is okay, hopefully not going into the recycling bin or not the landfill. If you have to throw away your printer, take it to the e-waste bins in your country where you live. There is always some center for recycling electronics. Usually the shops that sell you these things, they have also bins for them, so it's good to keep them there. But if it's still working, it's even better. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what other kind of videos you would like to see. If you want to see videos about printers, scanners, and laser printers versus inkjet printers. This is an inkjet printer, but laser printers, did you try that?